Okay.
Hey, we're normal.
You're not even in the shot.
I'm not. Okay, now I am.
I got some. Okay. Oh.
Whoa, Sarah, what did you do?
Dude, what?
Oh my. I'm like a comic strip. I feel like all of a sudden.
Pow, pow,
Zap! Pow! Wah!
to infinity and beyond.
Wait. Whoa! What did I do?
Whoa, dude, look what.
Are we in a horror movie now? Because I'm a little scared.
My eyes look really weird. See?
Wait.
My retainers look gross.
Wait.
Wait.
Whoa.
Well, how to do, partner?
Well, how'd it do to you?
What happened to my hear voice?
I don't understand why we're talking like this.
I need my specs.
All of a sudden, I feel like I need to go out and grow some corn.
I want a barbecue.
I want
A barbecue.
I want to turn some butter.
It's churn, you dumbit.
Are you sure?
It's churn.
It's churn.
It's churn the
Churn.
butter. Look, I got some dandelion seeds up my nose.
No. Oh no. Hey. What?
You know
You know what I feel like doing?
I
Feel
like
like
dancing.
Wait, hold on. I think I have to sneeze again.
Dude,
Ah.
careful.
Whoa. I think we're good. I think we're back to normal
Are
now.
we normal?
Hey.
Hello, world.
Okay.
Wow.
I don't really know how to explain that, but
it was cool, whatever it was.
yeah.
I love it.
All right then. What an adventure.
I need some allergy spray now.
And I think I need, same here.
And some
pills.
Claritin, please.
We need to stop the sneezing. So.
Alright. We'll try and keep that under control.
Yeah, I guess see you later.
Hopefully.
I don't know what that was. Sorry. See ya.